In this video, I'll show you how to use Calendar View in Monday.com. Start by opening the board that contains your tasks and dates. Calendar View allows you to display tasks visually based on deadlines or scheduled dates. So first, you have to make sure your board has a date column or timeline column. If you don't have one yet, click the plus button on the far right side of your columns and add a date column. Next, go near the top of the board and click plus Add View. From the list of available views, select Calendar. The calendar view will now open and display your tasks according to their assigned dates. You can switch between monthly, weekly, or daily layouts depending on your settings. Click on any task inside the calendar to view or edit its details. You can also drag tasks between dates directly on the calendar to reschedule them quickly. Simply click and drag them left or right to reschedule them. Calendar View is especially useful for content planning, scheduling, deadlines, and project management. And that's how to use Calendar View in Monday.com.